So there's this dynamic perceptive scale I run into all the time, and it corresponds with fluctuation almost instantaneously. When we discover a, spontaneity in the form of an idea, it generally fluctuates in validity. I'll give you an example. I'll come across a realization that things are more elastic than they should be. And the elasticity of things tends to be more evident in heat. While this may be true for most things, it is also very untrue for a lot of things. Like, sure, you could say you melt rubber into a paste and then it becomes extremely elastic, right? But somewhere after that, the elasticity kind of dissipates into not elasticity. So the fluctuation I'm pointing out here is the use of the context. Context is also an example of that. Context fluctuates so much throughout mental exercises that there's never a finite position that you can place yourself on the board. At least that's what I'm finding right now. So yes, this rock is pink or this coin is silver, right? Yes, these color is a context that is usually rather solid. But it doesn't change the fact that scales of coloration can fluctuate, and that in itself is a dynamic that happens. It's like running into a wave function and then measuring the wave function and then having it collapse in that exact manner. Because you're stretching it out in a form of scalability. So in a sense, you're turning it into a wave almost. And once you measure it, the construct collapses on itself. It's like induction. That's essentially my point. Are constructs just waves? Are these things that we collectively materialize in our minds just waves of consciousness? Because if consciousness is an immersive um, element, then it would make sense as to how it fluctuates the way it does. And the more reasoning we throw to a specific corner of our minds, the more we measure that portion of our observation. And then somehow the observation collapses on itself. Hence dogma. And if we're left with continuous collapse, would it be reasonable to become purely objective about life? Kind of takes the magic from it. Again, you're left into this realm of measurement and then collapse.